Hey mother, I am from here, mother, very far from you, no? It seems it is time to, no, to be, where are you, mother? I can see you from my point, from, from, from my spot. I'm going to tell you maybe something more interesting, no? I, I, I bought this pan in a office shop uh, for only one euro. Somebody left it. They are sure because he's very he it was very short, very thin. Uh, I have to put it larger to accommodate to me. I flip I flip uh, I flip it with a needle. With a needle, I made a cut here. Put a piece of other pan in the same color. This one I put it, and this one too. No. After I paint with indeleble gum and the permanent marker. No, when I wash it, the paint don't go away. Stay in my pan. Bueno, additional to it, I am using this video for the people watching me too. If for my pride too. I think that maybe they can see me in good shape. In good shape, for my mother to learn more English with her, because my mother want to hear in English, want to hear her son that live in Spain talking in English. No, I study with my neighbor every day. We studied yesterday. We are very getting on all the time. But you know, I never seen that before that I can express myself thinking in English. Danny told me one time, one day is going to appear you're able to speak, to pop up your to be in your mind without notice. I thought, I have thinking about it, never came to me that day that Danny told me that then. But 3 days before or 4 days before, with my neighbor, that day came. That day came incredible. I can't imagine. I was astonished. I am learning to pronounce. Maybe to pronounce more reading, writing, responsible, comfortable. Yes, pero I am improving. I have a way to go, a way to getting, a way to make to get a job. I deserve that job because I have studied so much. Look my dictionary. Look my dictionary. The people buy maybe English Spanish dictionary. It's a tremendous stupidity. No, the teacher told me one time ago, you have to look for the word in the English dictionary. You have to want the spare one in Spanish English, but it's good. Now, bueno, mother, if for to say you hello, continue your class. Don't leave your class. Are very beautiful to be in the class. I have tomorrow a class of how to with my English family. We have a lunch. We will have a lunch there to be in the conference. It will be sure in English and Spanish. There's someone to translate the conference, and I have made my effort to understand all the time, to understand what they are preaching me, and to know more words, to know what they talking about. Mother, kiss you my first English video. I want you be happy because your son loves you so much. You are unique for me. You are the best mother and the strong mother, very strong mother. There are a lot of strong mothers, but you are one of the best of them. Thank you. Besos, mami. Chao.